In this video, I would explain about estimating and approximating. Before we know about the estimating and approximating, we have to know about the basic of the rounding. In the previous video, I had explained about the theory of decimal places and rounding. So in this video, there was the how to use it using the principle of rounding and decimal places. So to estimating something or approximating something, aim us to do a simple calculation in math. I have an example: 6,210 divide by 276. In the real calculation, we can find that the result is about 22.5. But using the estimating and approximating, we're rounding it first. Instead, it makes us a simple way to calculate. We know that 6,000, we can round it about the nearest thousand. So the rounding of the nearest thousand of 6,210 is 6,000. You can find it why is 6,000 from the previous video that I shared about the topic of rounding. So because we know that 6 as the original number and then 2 is the right number, 2 is smaller than 5, so the rounding is down. And then for 276, the rounding is 300. So we got the answer is 20. 20 is quite close to the 22.5 in the principle of rounding. And then for the question, 213 times 3.97 over 19. We do first for the manual calculation. 213 times 3.97 is about 845.61. We divide it by 19. The result is 44.5. We do the estimating way. 213, we rounding it to be 200. 3.97, we rounding it to 4 and divide by 19. Sorry, 19 is rounding to be 10 because 19 is rounding nearest 10, there will be 20. So this will be 20. Cancel it. It will be 10. 10 times 4 is 40. So the result in the manual one and in the estimating one is near close, because 44, if we're rounding it, that will be 40. We do example again. 81 minus 38. 81 minus 38. Manually, we got the answer 81 minus 38 is 42. In the estimating method, we're rounding 81 to be 80, 38 to be 40. We got the answer is 40. 40 is near, 40 is a bit close to the 43, because 43, if we're rounding it, that will be 40. And 672 divide by 20. In the manual calculation, we got the answer about 32. We want to do it in the estimating method. We know that 672, we're rounding it nearest 100, that will be 700. 21, we're rounding it to be 20. So our answer is 35. 32 and 35 is quite a little bit close. And 46.29 divided by 3. In the manual calculation, we got the answer is about 15.4 in the one decimal places. So we want to rounding it about 47, sorry, 48, 46, because it's rounding down, divided by 3. 46 divided by 3, it's about 15.31 dB. It's quite a bit similar. I want to make an example for you for your exercise. Okay, please do exercise of it. 18.2 minus 78.5 divide by 39, then 60.09 minus 39 by 2, and next 289 times 23, and then 72 times 49, and the last 97 plus 52. Okay, if you don't mind, please do this exercise. You can answer the question in the comment below.